Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching on how you can swap your token. Mostly the one got it from airdrops, or maybe you want to swap your USDT for any other cryptocurrency on Bitget. This is for Bitget. Or you want to swap the cryptocurrency you gotten from any drop, that is airdrops. You want to swap it to USDT so that you can be able to send it or sell or use it to trade for traders. So for you to be able to swap your USDT, let's say for now, you want to swap, let's say pi. You want to swap pi now. You can say it before you before you're able to swap pi. You should make sure you have pi on your assets. You'll be able to see it on your assets. You see pi, it will show around here, somewhere around here. You see it around this button here. Now you have available pi. You just have to come to this trade. This trade you can see down here. This trade, you click on it. So once you click on it, this side will come out. So you might not get to see this pi. You just have to click on it. Then you search the crypto you want to swap or sell. You want to swap. Yes, you want to swap. So let's say now you want to you have pause, because I guess that's the that would be the next listing that is more popular. So let's say you want to swap pause, but I doubt you'll be able to see pause now because it's not listed yet. Let's go for something. Okay, let's say you want to swap Dodge and you can't find it around here. Let's just use it. You can find it around here. You search for Dodge. And remember, if you're searching for Dodge, you can see here it's saying Dodge slash Euro. That is Dodge slash EUR, which is euros. Dodge slash BTC, Dodge slash USDT. If you're swapping for USDT, you should always look at this. You can say it's showing the Dodge slash USDT, meaning whatever you want to, like if you want to swap USDT, if you have USDT, you want to swap it for Dodge, this is what you have to click to be able to do that. If you have USDC, this is what you will click to be able to do that. If you have Bitcoin, if you want to swap Bitcoin to Dodge, this is what you click to do that. If you want to swap your flat currencies like Euro and the rest, this is what you will Euro, especially because there's no US dollar here, it's just Euro. If you have Euro, this is what you click to swap your flat currency to Dodge. But now that I'm teaching on how to swap USDT or Dodge to USDT or USDC, is the same method. Just be mindful of the terms I showed you. This to make sure you know which one you're going for and which one you have. If you have USDC, you click for the one of USDC, Dodge slash USDC. If you have USDT, you want to buy Dodge with your USDT, you go for the option Dodge slash USDT. So now that I'm teaching about USDT, we'll just have to click on it. This, you click on this. So once you click on it, it will come out this way. If you want to buy, you can see it here. You can see buy, you can see sell, you can see them. So sometime you might click on this Dodge and you find out that this place that is showing markets won't be markets. It could either be limit or whatever. If you see it as limit price, it's for people that, okay, they don't want to buy at this amount, that's this amount. Now maybe they have done the analysis and they have found out that maybe Dodge will go below maybe 0.19, and they want to say, okay, I want to buy Dodge at 0.18. They have done the analysis and they say, okay, Dodge will reach out. They'll just come down to this place and change the price to 0.18, and that's it. And they'll just put the quantity they want, how many Dodge they want to buy, that amount. That's where they just set. And once they set it, they'll just click on this buy Dodge, and it's the limit order will be placed. So once Dodge touches 0.18, immediately to buy the amounts they requested for. But since we're not doing that, we want to learn how to do ASAP, like you want to buy and sell at that current figure, at that current amount, which is this. Now this is the correct amount of Dodge, this is the current one of Dodge. So what we do is that you make sure this limit is not a limit, is a market. So if you see yours on limits, change it to markets, click on it, you see markets below limits, you click on it, then it will come at this price. Then you will now come here and type or write down how many years. Let's say you want to buy 10 USDT, you want to buy Dogecoin worth of 10 USDT, which is same thing as worth of $10. USDT the same amount, same price with some dollars. So you just say 10 USDT, that's what you have. Okay, and the only thing you just have to do, once you have input it, you will just click on buy now, and immediately you click on it, it will automatically buy your Doge. But you can say I don't have any phone, this is just this for tutorial. It's not, I'm not buying anything. So if you want to sell your Doge, let's say you have Doge now, that is for buying now. I've taught you how to buy Doge. Now if you want to sell, this buy icon, now you see this is on buy. If you want to sell, you just click on the sell part and you can see it. You will now, this time now, you can see here is not showing USDT again, unlike the buy is showing USDT. You can see it, the buy is showing USDT, but the sell part is showing Doge, meaning it's Doge you want to sell for USDT. So if you want to sell your Doge or any other cryptocurrency, this is how it is. And make sure it should be on market, not limits. It should be on markets. If you want to sell it at the current rate, the coin, the crypto or whatever you want to buy or sell is going for at that current rate. So if you want to sell, you just come here, everything should be in order, then input how many Dogecoin you want to sell. Let's say you want to sell 300 or 3000, depending on whatever you have. Once you have input it, you just come to this sell Doge and do the same thing, click on it, and boom, your Doge will be swapped to USDT, and you can send your USDT to your vendor to transfer for your flat currency, or if you want to do P2P transaction, you can do that. This same method is the same for all crypto. If you want to do for Pi, the same thing, you come in here, and remember this market, it should be a market, not limits, and this is for sell. You come input how many Pi you want to sell. If you want to sell 100 Pi, you input it and click on sell, and it will be swapped to USDT. And if you want to do for USDC, let's say Pi now has only USDT. There's no USDC for Pi, so you can't swap your USDC for Pi, but you can swap your USDC to USDT. Yes, you can see it here. You can swap your USDC to USDT. You can see it here. You can swap your USDC to USDT, and once you buy USDT with USDC with USDT, you can now go to once you sell this to buy this to buy USDC using USDT. But if you have USDC, you just have to come and sell your USDC for USDT. Yes, you have to come and sell your USDT. So you come here and put any amount you have in USDC, the same thing you will get as USDT. So you come here, swap your USDC to USDT, and you go back and buy your Pi, buy it with the amounts you want, and voila, that's it. So once it's out, that's how you can be able to swap your USDT, USDC, whatever cryptocurrency you want to swap. And make sure it's something you should know is this: it should be, once you are doing spot swapping, you should be on spots, not margin or N02. You should be on spots. That is why I clicked. You should click on this part and not futures. Trade for spot trading, not futures, if you want to swap your crypto for USDT or USDC or your flat currency, if that option is available. As you can see, Pi only option is USDT, so you can sell Pi for USDT and you can buy Pi using USDT. No other mode of payment, if it's not no other mode of transaction if it's not USDT. So that is all you have to know. Same thing goes to if you want to buy BTC. If you want to buy BTC, you can see BTC have different options. You can buy BTC using WAP USDT, BRL, USDC, USDT, USDE, euros, and I guess that's all. These are what you can use to buy BTC, but the normal one we use is either USDT or USDC, which is this two here. So that is all. Just click on it, and you can buy BTC. Input your amount of how much you want to, how many USDT you want to buy, how much USDT you want to spend to get BTC, and that's all. If you want to sell, the same thing, but remember it should be on sports trading market. This should be on market, not limit, so that you can buy at the current price BTC is selling, and that's all. Thank you, as I'll be dropping more videos, more tutorials on how to go around crypto and everything that is related to crypto. Thank you.